Hello guys, today I will show you how to import X and Y coordinates and comment or label from Excel to Autocad. Let's start. I open my coordinates or as-built Excel file. This is one and we will import it to Autocad. Any drawing as your requirements. For my side, I will open a new drawing. I will superimpose my as-built here on my new drawing. Okay. The formula that we will use is equal sting and sign double inverted comma double inverted comma and sign and northing. Enter. And next one is we will copy this one and go back to it, Autocad. Before you paste that coordinate, I suggest to make a new layer. New layer. PO. Okay. Let's use this PO. Okay. Then go to draw. Multi-points. Paste that coordinates. Okay. Then type daily e-type. I will choose the circle with X and for the size is 0.30. Set size in absolute unit. Okay. Then zoom, extend. As you will see, this is our as-built, but they have some problem that we need to fix. On the point, there's no point ID. So what we will do is go back to Excel, type invert comma negative sign text and copy this formula paste, just add a little 0.30 for location 0.30. Oops, I forget to add plus 0.30. Okay, then next go back to Autocad, type text or minus text, position, height 0.30, angle, text. Okay, go back to Excel. Command, position, then next. height, the next 0, the next equal to the text. What is the text? Is one point ID. Okay, we have our command. Then go back, copy this, go back to Autocad, and I suggest make a new layer, D, and change the color as red. Then layer, change it on the ID and paste. As you will see, all points are hub ID name. Thank you guys. I will put on the link below all formula that I use in this tutorial. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Papa Casey.